Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best FSCA Regulated Forex Brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Financial Sector Conduct Authority, or more commonly known as the FSCA, is the market conduct regulator of financial institutions in South Africa. The FSCA oversees financial institutions which provide financial products and services. It enhances and supports both the efficiency and the integrity of the financial markets. In addition, it protects financial customers by promoting fair treatment by financial institutions and provides such customers with financial education. It is the strictest regulatory entity in South Africa, and it oversees the operation of numerous forex brokers, which hold regulation and authorization in offering South African traders with trading solutions and services. Beginner traders should always consider trading with a fully regulated, reputable, and safe broker. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best FSCA regulated forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN Zero, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. At number 4 on our list, we have FXPrimus. FXPrimus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, and is used by over 10,000 traders. FXPrimus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including 43 currency pairs, specializing in forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP, Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support services, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FXPrimus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FXPrimus. At number 3 on our list is IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG Markets offers only 2 types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own IG Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker which has been in operation since 2008, has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, and offers sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform, using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, and ensures that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers popular trading strategies and guides to help you with any additional education that you might be looking for. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best FSCA Regulated Forex Brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best FSCA regulated forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.